Hi there, Avi here. For our first video in the Visualize the Kanji series, let's quickly cover the format of the videos. On the left-hand side here, we've got our keywords. This is what the characters mean. To the right, I'm going to draw, you can draw if you like to, the images which we're going to visualize for the characters. And the characters themselves will practice here on the right. This I'd like you to practice along with me in your own notebook or on a piece of paper. I've even drawn out the diagrams to show the correct stroke order and stroke direction. So the first character, the first stroke for mouth, for example, would go from the upper left down. And the second stroke would go from the upper left to the right and down. And then the third stroke starts on the left and goes to the right. So I wrote the number by where you start the character. So we'd practice the characters here together on the right, and that's how the videos will flow for now. So now you know where everything is. Let me clear the canvas and let's get started. So let me start by drawing the image for a mouth. I've got an open mouth here. This is how I'm going to draw the character. This is how I'm going to draw the image for the character. You can draw yours differently if you want to, or you can just visualize it in your mind. So I got open mouth here, and teeth, and a tongue. That's my image of a mouth. Now for your own image, you could visualize a baby's mouth crying, or a giant's mouth yawning. However you'd like. This is going to be our image to start with. On the right hand side, I'll practice with you. We got 1, 2, 3. One more time. 1, 2, 3. And that's our character for mouth. As I'm writing this character, I'm visualizing the mouth over here. All right, let's move on to the character for sun. So I'll start by drawing off the image for it. It's a happy sun, there you go, with some rays. And the character for sun, we write it like this. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. We start in the upper left. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see it's one more stroke than mouth, and that extra stroke is a horizontal line. You could visualize this as a window through which you're seeing the sun, but I just directly visualize it as the sun itself. Lastly, we've got our character for eye. So let's draw out an eye here. Let's make that a blue eye. I'm going to give it a black pupil in the center, and then maybe give it a couple reflections. You don't have to get too fancy here, but for me this is a fun part of the process. So we got our eye image there. Let's write out the character for eye together. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Before I write that one more time, just look over here by eye. I'm going to write the character for eye on its side and give it some eyelashes and kind of round out that center area there. Do you see an eye there? I do. This helps me remember the character for eye. If you would like to use this, you can. If not, that's okay too. You could even visualize this as a regular eye, just very widely open. These are our 3 characters: mouth, sun, and eye. If you have any questions or comments, please post them below. Thank you very much.